Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to see how good is your general knowledge. Take this question-answer fun quiz, the find out before that. So don't forget, subscribe the channel to playing more quizzes, fun quizzes. So alright, let's play quiz. How many players are there on each side of the basketball game? A, 4, B, 5, C, 6, D, 7. Answer B, 5. Which animal is known to be the ship of the desert? A, dog, B, camel, C, cat, D, snake. Answer B, camel. Which country was divided into two parts by the wall? A, France, B, Germany, C, Austria, D, Poland. Answer B, Germany. Which city is the capital of Italy? A, Venice, B, Florence, C, Rome, D, Milan. Answer C, Rome. Which of these buildings is in India? A, Eiffel Tower, B, Colosseum, C, the Taj Mahal, D, the Great Wall of China. Answer C, Taj Mahal. In which country was the famous composer Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart born? A, Germany, B, Austria, C, Czech Republic, D, Italy. Answer B, Austria. Which of the following inventions is attributed to Thomas Edison? A, bulb, B, telephone, C, computer, D, rocket. Answer a bulb. Which animal is a symbol of courage and bravery in Chinese culture? A, Leo, B, dragon, C, eagle, D, bear. Answer B, dragon. Who invented the telegraph? A, Alexander Graham Bell, B, Guglielmo Marconi, C, Thomas Edison, D, Samuel Morse. Answer D, Samuel Morse. What animal is the symbol of China? A, panda, B, elephant, C, tiger, D, Leo. Answer a panda. Which of these cities is located in Egypt? A, Athens, B, Cairo, C, Baghdad, D, London. Answer B, Cairo.